Every day on Instagram and TikTok, you see traders showing luxury cars, expensive watches, private jets, and screenshots of massive profits. Trading made me rich. You've heard it before. But here's the question nobody asks. If trading creates so many millionaires, why are most of the world's richest people business owners? Social media is not reality. It is a highlight reel of the top 1% moments, from the top 1% of people. What you don't see are the losses, the failed accounts, and the people who disappeared after blowing up their capital. Trading sells a dream that feels irresistible. Open a laptop, click a few buttons, make money from anywhere in the world. But behind that dream is a very different reality. The market doesn't care about your dreams. One day you feel like a genius. The next day you question everything. A trader starts every month at zero. Tomorrow's income depends on tomorrow's decisions. Unlike a salary, trading has no fixed income, no guarantees, no stability, just uncertainty repeating every single day. And most people don't survive that pressure, but there is another path, a completely different game. Business, where effort today doesn't disappear tomorrow. It compounds, it grows, it builds something real. A business doesn't depend on luck. It depends on systems, products, marketing, automation. Once built, it can earn even while you sleep. Look at the world's richest people: Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, Warren Buffett. They didn't trade their way to wealth. They built assets, systems that scale beyond their time. Imagine two people. Person A trades daily and spends profits immediately. Person B builds a business and reinvests everything. After 5 years, one is still working for money. The other has built money that works for them. The Lamborghini on Instagram is easy to see. The failed trading accounts are not. The successful business operating quietly in the background rarely goes viral. But that's where real wealth is built. For every trader showing profit, there are hundreds who quit quietly, not because they didn't try, but because the losses became heavier than the hope. And failure doesn't post on social media. Trading is not just money. It becomes emotion. Win, and you feel unstoppable. Lose, and you try to recover instantly. And that cycle traps people for years. Without a system, every trade becomes a decision. Every decision becomes pressure, and pressure becomes burnout. But business changes the rules. You don't trade time for money. You build something that scales beyond time. A product, a brand, a system that works without you. Business doesn't grow linearly. It compounds. Slow at first, then suddenly unstoppable. Most people fail in trading because they chase quick money, and fail in business because they quit too early. The real difference is patience. People think wealth is about income, but wealth is about control. Control over time, control over systems, control over money flow. Trading feels like freedom, but you are still tied to the screen. Business feels like responsibility, but it gives you true independence. At some point, everyone realizes the same truth. Money earned by effort is different from money earned by systems. One stops when you stop. The other never stops. Trading can generate income. Business creates assets. Income pays bills. Assets build wealth. The people who become truly wealthy understand the difference. The question is not how fast you can make money. The question is how long your money can keep working after you're gone. Most people chase money. The wealthy build machines that create it.